Okay, continuing on with our inspection at 550 California. I just want to note that now we're starting to get into the change of the tread design and stringer design and the platform. So you can see we're back to square head bolts, original hardware. We're about 4 platforms down from the top. So, we're getting into, you can see here, the diamond plate treads and the original hardware, square hex head bolts up above. But here we're getting into the new, original, I would say, 4-inch flat treads, which are riveted. But again, everything looks in good order. The connections look to be in good order. This railing, maybe. I would maybe tighten up this railing a little bit, but nothing that's any problems. Flats are in good order. So I'm going to continue down, probably continue the video from the bottom. This is actually the second floor of the system.